Oh, there goes something. Oh, big branch down over there.
Thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather is not imminent, persons should remain alert for
These are strong.
Wednesday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%.
The coastal waters forecast from San Diego to 5 island in the New South Carolina.
Strong thunderstorm wind gusts. Currently under a severe thunderstorm warning until 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, 10:15 p.m.
Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms early this evening. Then showers and thunderstorms.
Already heard and saw one wind break over there.
Showers and thunderstorms late. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles until early morning. And for Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Weather seas higher and near thunderstorm. The marine forecast for New York Harbor, including land and bay. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch 405 in effect until midnight tonight. For tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Gust up to 25 knots this evening. Winds around 2 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. for Brooklyn, Queens, Passaic, Union, Manhattan, Bronx, Bergen, Essex, Staten Island, and Hudson counties. At 9:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a gust front capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour along the line extending from Colonia to the Verrazano House Bridge to Coney Island, 28 miles south of Rockaway Beach. Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Wind damage will occur with little, if any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Wednesday afternoon. Severe thunderstorm watch 405 in effect until midnight tonight. For tonight, south winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms early this evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely late this evening and early morning. A chance of showers and thunderstorms late. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles until early morning. And for Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Weather seas higher and near thunderstorm. The marine forecast for New York Harbor, including land and bay. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch 405 in effect until midnight tonight. For tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots.
Whoa.
western Long Island Sound. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch 405 in effect until midnight tonight. Tonight. Southwest winds 2 to 6 miles. Southwest 25 miles showers and thunderstorms likely late this evening and early morning. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms late. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles until early morning. And for winds, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Weapon seas higher and in near thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the Long Island South Shore Base. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight.
Thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Delaware and New Jersey and northeast Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northeast New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:45 p.m. for Sussex County. At 9:51 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located east of High Point, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Delaware and New Jersey and northeast Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northeast New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:45 for the following from Sussex.
Small craft advisory in effect through the Wednesday afternoon. Severe thunderstorm watch 405 in effect until midnight tonight. For tonight.